How to make hand-cut French fries. Do not forget to subscribe. In this article I would like to share with you how to make the best hand-cut fries you have ever tasted. There are so many methods to making hand-cut fries and everyone argues about which way to go. Twice cooked or only cooked once, what size to cut the fries, rinse or not to rinse, what temperature the oil is, what kind of oil or fat to use, what kind of potato to use, what kind of salt, and some of the main points French fry enthusiasts debate about. I am going to share with you a few different methods including my personal favorite, but I will let you find out your personal favorite on your own. First off, I like to use a regular Idaho potato, washed but not peeled. You can cut them by hand with a knife by making 1/4 of an inch slices and then cutting 1/4 of an inch sticks out of the slices, but if you plan on doing fries, often invest in a fry cutter. All it takes is to pull down the lever and collect the cut fries below them. At this point many people choose to rinse them under cold water for about 15 to 20 minutes to get rid of some of the starch and prevent them from sticking together. I feel this takes away from the flavor of the potato and never rinse, but feel free to try both methods out and see for yourself. You can prevent unrinsed potatoes from sticking by shaking the basket and stirring with tongs during frying. Again, you reach another fork in the road, blanch them, twice cooking, or single cooking. To blanch, just fry the French fries at 250 F for about 5 minutes and spread out on a sheet tray and cool in the fridge. Then fry at 350 to crisp them and get color. This method gets a crispier fry, but I feel that the blanching process takes away the flavor of the potato. For single cooking, fry the French fries at 350 for about 10 minutes and ensure that they are cooked inside. The French fry will not stay crispy as long, like boardwalk fries, but the flavor is noticeably better and tastes like a potato as opposed to just a crispy stick of something needed to be drowned in ketchup. Many French fry places, such as my favorite, Thrasher's Fries, will not even give you ketchup with their amazing fries. Just cider/malt vinegar and some sea salt makes the perfect fry. How to make fries over the top amazing. Fry in duck fat. Although it's relatively expensive, if you happen to have made duck confit recently you might have a lot left over. Duck fat makes amazing fries. Make it gourmet and finish the fries with fleur de sel, French sea salt, and truffle oil. Finish it with Parmesan, finely minced fresh garlic, and chopped fresh thyme. As a Marylander, I got to have Old Bay on my fries. Subscribe for more videos.